गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का इफ्तिताह कर दिया गया है। न्यू गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के ये मनाज़िर हैं। पाक चीन दोस्ती का ये मुंह बोलता सबूत है। पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का इफ्तिताह कर दिया गया है।
But this marvel of modern engineering is more than a gateway for travelers. The new Gawadar International Airport is future ready for growth and development and boasts a modular expansion design, enabling phased growth and adaptability. With its vast cargo handling capacity, direct links to air cargo deliveries and logistics centers, the airport stands as a vital artery, pumping life into the free trade zone and driving economic growth. The airport has land provisions also for future aviation-related commercial activities, including cargo delivery, aircraft hangars, hotels, and godowns for courier companies, enabling a comprehensive logistics ecosystem, attracting global investors and opening new horizons for commerce. As Gawadar continues to rise, this epic gateway will play a crucial role in strengthening regional connectivity and propelling global trade. Gawadar is ready for the future, and its airport is ready to welcome the world. New Gawadar International Airport, gateway to the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, we sincerely acknowledge and commend the outstanding efforts of the China Airport Construction Group Corporation consultants, Beijing Urban Construction Group, and China Railway Beijing Engineering Group, along with their dedicated engineers and project staff in successfully implementing the new Gawadar International Airport. Their unwavering commitment and expertise have been instrumental in the completion of this significant project, particularly Mr. Ding Can and his team. Their hard work and dedication will always be remembered and appreciated. Now, the milestone would not have been possible without the dedication and expertise of countless individuals, from the visionary planners to the diligent engineers and committed support staff. We take a moment to thank them for their service and acknowledge that each and every one of them played a crucial role in the materialization of this project today. I now invite His Excellency, Minister of Defense Khwaja Mohammad Asif and Director General Pakistan Airports Authority, Air Vice Marshal Zishan Saeed, to present certificates of appreciation to the key members for their outstanding contributions to the successful completion of the new Gawadar International Airport. Sir, please. Deputy DG Airports, Pakistan Airports Authority, Mr. Sadiq Rahman. Project Director, New Gawadar International Airport, Mr. Faizullah Khatak. Airport Manager, New Gawadar International Airport, Mr. Khalid Kakad.
न्यू गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट की इफ्तिताही तकरीब जारी है। पाक चीन दोस्ती का मुंह बोलता सबूत है। पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का इफ्तिताह कर दिया गया है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।